If you're experiencing login errors on Lyft, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to using the app quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Update the Lyft app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Lyft app installed. Go to your device's app store, search for Lyft, and update if necessary. Step 3. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password or suspect it may be incorrect, use the Forgot Password option on the login screen to reset it. Step 4. Clear app cache. For Android users, go to Settings Apps Lyft Storage and clear the cache. For iOS users, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app to clear the cache. Step 5. Contact Lyft support. If none of the previous steps work, reach out to Lyft's customer support for assistance. You can do this through the app or their website. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login errors on Lyft. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from Lyft support.